Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making fried chicken fingers. Now this recipe has all the flavor and texture you're looking for from a restaurant, and you can make it right at home. So let's get started. Okay, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. You need 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons of buttermilk, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and then 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And then additionally, you're going to need some black pepper and salt for seasoning the chicken, and vegetable oil for frying. So to get things started, you're going to crack 2 eggs into a small bowl, and you're going to whisk those well. Next, you're going to add the buttermilk to that and whisk until it's well blended with the eggs. This will create your egg wash. Now in a large sized bowl, you're going to add the flour, the salt, the garlic powder, the pepper, and the cayenne. And then you're going to whisk that until it's well combined. Make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can see a sneak peek of what recipe is coming next Friday. At the end of this video, there is a bonus recipe that I'm sharing with you all, so make sure you check that one out too. Next up, you want to start by removing any excess fat that you may see on your chicken breast. Following that, you're going to sprinkle a light coat of salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken and press the seasoning into the flesh. Once that's done, you're going to slice the chicken into chicken finger shaped pieces. The next step is coating the chicken. Now for this, I recommend having one hand designated for touching the flour and the other hand designated for the egg wash. This will help with the coating not sticking to your fingers. So for the process, first you're going to coat the chicken in the flour mixture, and then second you're going to dip them into the egg wash, but you don't want to let the excess egg wash drip off. The excess egg wash is what gives the second coating that flaky texture you're looking for. So thirdly, after dipping the chicken into the egg wash, you're going to immediately roll the chicken around in the seasoned flour again until you get a rocky, floured coating. You're going to want to repeat this process for each chicken finger. So to make the coating process a bit quicker, I normally prepare a few chicken fingers at a time. Once all the chicken is prepared, you're going to want to fill either a deep dish pan or a deep fryer with the vegetable oil, and then set the temperature to medium-high heat, which is about 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Once the oil is hot, you're going to test the oil with 1 chicken finger. You want to fry this chicken finger for about 4 to 6 minutes. And then once that's over, you're going to remove it from the oil. So in this video, I'm using the Tefal Ultimate Easy Clean Deep Fryer. If you're a fan of cooking fried food often at your house, I definitely recommend getting this. This deep fryer regulates the temperature of your oil, and it also filters it once you're done, and you can save the amount of oil you use over and over again. And with the savings of not having to buy oil every time you wanted to fry, it ends up paying for itself in the long run. Now, I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I can just definitely stand by this product, and it's been a real life changer for me in the kitchen. Add the rest of the chicken fingers, frying in batches of 4 to 5 chicken fingers at a time. You want to fry each batch for 4 to 6 minutes. Turning the chicken halfway through the time if you don't have enough oil to completely submerge the chicken. You want to make sure that you don't fry all your chicken fingers all at once. Adding too much chicken to the oil will bring the frying temperature down too low, and you'll end up having the chicken absorb too much of that cooking oil, and the chicken won't be able to cook properly. So if you're cooking in a deep dish pan, you want to make sure you have a candy thermometer or some type of heat protected thermometer that you can monitor the temperature of the oil with. Once each batch is done frying, you want to take the chicken fingers out of the oil and place them on a cloth or a paper towel lined plate to drain the excess oil. And just like that, you make your very own fried chicken fingers. So now, whenever you want them, you don't have to go out to a fast food restaurant, you can make them right at home. And this recipe makes a lot of them, so you can always meal prep for the rest of your week too. And as you can see, breaking into one of these, you have a perfectly cooked piece of chicken with a nice, flaky, crunchy coating. And now for a special bonus video, I'm going to show you how to make a great sauce to use for these chicken fingers. For the dipping sauce, the ingredients you'll need are a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip. And what's important to me is the type of barbecue sauce you use, and my go-to is the brand Sweet Baby Ray. So for the instructions, all you need to do is mix the honey, the yellow mustard, the barbecue sauce, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and Miracle Whip in a medium-sized bowl until they're all well combined. It doesn't get much easier than that. And you can cover this bowl or transfer the ingredients to a small container and refrigerate that for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to blend well. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to add the link in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll be releasing a new video every Friday. Next week I'll show you how to make this delicious beef and broccoli recipe. So thanks again for watching, and until next week, peace.